2019 Honda Talon. Getting ready to install an Inferno cab heater system. Here's your kit, some hoses, fan, heater core, your vents, hose clamps, Y, a couple of those, pretty nice switch, plug and play wiring harness system. This is a switch panel. You have to remove the one on your passenger side by the glove box. Then you cut these plugs in there, and you can mount your switch in there. Also, I believe one of the vents mount in that cover. Pretty decent instructions, nice colored pictures. Picked up some hose clamps and a hole saw. Well, let's get this started. Well, Bacon's got the front hood off. What are you drilling out over there, Bacon?
The safety plate off, and that's where your other plate goes. It's going to have your switch and all the empty holes for spare stuff.
Your switch panel.
You didn't have to pull away that quick.
So you do have to remove that metal plate that has all the warning information on it, which I don't know if anybody reads that. But now this sits in there recessed.
10 more I got. How old are you now? I started 6.
And we're getting ready to drill out the holes and install the new rivets. Oh, I was young.
Hey, can you pee yourself yet?
Nope.
You old enough yet to pee yourself?
Never have.
Or never have?
Never have. Are you going to play music over this?
Can't. No copyright. Going on.
Harbor Freight pop rivet gun. 3/16 is like 40.
Only the best.
We're gonna go.
Hey, did Tom have on the slide, man?
Sweet.
Sure.
No turning back now. Cup holder.
What do we got going on here, Bacon?
We're gonna put the floor louvers in here. This is for your floor heat. Did you see this straight from the factory? Missing the fucking.
Oh, that's nice, isn't it? Does it even line up?
No. So I'll probably have to waller them out a little bit, put a couple clips in there, but.
Should have bought a Polaris, made in the USA.
When the government's watching your house, you're gonna get free shit.
drilling the 2 holes for the mounting bracket for the heater core. Are you installing the self-tapping screws, Bacon?
No, I'm not going to do self-tapping. I'm going to put 1/4-inch bolts through it with nylock nuts because I feel that the self-tappers with this rattling around, just hanging on that's probably going to break the self-tappers. But it comes with self-tappers.
Got a generator, right?
He has a generator.
Huh?
He has a generator.
When do we think it's draft?
Definitely later than last year, the year before that, and the year before that.
There you go.
Much better.
2 switches on the passenger side. 1 switch on the driver's side. We're going to cut into the hot side, which would be the top side of your radiator, which is this hose here. And wire it off up to what we already have installed, which is the Inferno heater core with the fan. It's already wired, ready to go. All of the vents are plumbed, top and bottom. Switch panel installed. Here is the MaxStat thermostat for, this is for what brand? Ice Crusher.
Ice Crusher MaxStat.
Yep, this is for Ice Crusher heater system, and we are using it on the Inferno. So we're having to change a few things, but we're going to splice into it. Okay, got the hot line cut. Getting ready to install the MaxStat. Of course, you have to trim the hose so you can fit the MaxStat between it, so nothing's in a bind and pinches anything.
About good, or a little bit shorter? Maybe?
A little bit shorter. Trimmed about 2.5 inches out of the hose on the hot side to fit the MaxStat in there. Of course, put the hose clamp on before you install the MaxStat. Take your down now. Yep.
Good.
The bottom one looks like it can go up just a little bit.
That'd probably work.
Yeah, that looks pretty good. We'll get these hose clamps tightened down and we'll run the other line up to the heater core. Okay, so we're finished installing the Y on the cold return from the bottom of the Inferno heater core to the inline of the radiator on the Talon.
This is going to go into the bottom of the heater core. Bottom line on the heater core. This one.
There's the top of
The inlet is the top. Tighten them up. That's got to look nice and pretty and zip tied. Like that. Down about like that. That's probably the easiest. That's it. Throw some zip ties on it. We're going to fill it and warm it up and see what works.
That's a pretty blue. Matches the container it came in, matches the funnel, it even matches the damn machine.
Just a couple extra bucks, but it's well worth it.
Well, yeah, when everything matches. Okay, so with everything running, we're going to do a temperature reading here. Let's get it on American Fahrenheit. We're 120 degrees. Down on the lower one, 150, 51, 149.